Hello guys, welcome back. In this lecture, I'm going to talk about Hadoop distribution by different vendors. So before I start, let me tell you the difference between Hadoop offered by Apache and Hadoop offered by these market vendors. Well, if you look, there are two ways you can set up Hadoop on your test or production environment. Number one, you can download the binary files of Hadoop and its component from Apache's website and set up the environment manually. Number two, you can opt for any of the distributions provided by vendors in the market. So at a very high level, the difference between them is that if you opt for Hadoop distribution by any of the vendors, you will get support, some added features on top of Hadoop and its component, and a very nice GUI system to manage the clusters. Okay, let's have a look at some of the top vendors in the market. Amazon's Elastic MapReduce, popularly known as EMR, was one of the first commercial Hadoop offerings on the market and leads in global market presence. EMR is Hadoop in the cloud, leveraging Amazon EC2 for compute, Amazon S3 for storage, and other services. Cloudera is focused on innovating Hadoop based on enterprise demands. Its Hadoop suite is known as Cloudera Distribution, also known as CDH. It has built a faster SQL engine on top of Hadoop called Impala. Cloudera has built a very nice GUI system known as Cloudera Manager for management and monitoring of Hadoop. Hortonworks Hadoop distribution is Hortonworks data platform, popularly known as HDP. Hortonworks' strategy is to drive all innovation through open source community. In this course, I will be using Hortonworks Hadoop distribution to demonstrate Hadoop and its component. Hortonworks also provides a very nice GUI system known as Apache Ambari for cluster management. IBM's InfoSphere Big Insights provides easy integration with other IBM tools like SPSS Advanced Analytics, Workload Management for higher performance computing, BI tools, and data management and modeling tools. Its Hadoop suite includes sophisticated text analytics module, IBM Big Seeds for data exploration, and a variety of performance, reliability, security, and administrative features. MapR Technologies is the third pure play but lacks the market presence of Cloudera and Hortonworks. Its Hadoop distribution supports network file system, one of its key innovation. It supports running arbitrary code in the cluster, performance enhancements for edge base, as well as high availability and disaster recovery features. Pivotal was the first enterprise data warehouse vendor to provide a full-featured enterprise-grade Hadoop appliance. It was also the first to roll out an appliance family that integrated its Hadoop, enterprise data warehouse, and data management layers in a single rack. Pivotal's Hadoop distribution has an MPPP Hadoop SQL engine called Hawk that provides a MPPP-like SQL performance on Hadoop. Well, MPPP stands for Massive Parallel Processing. Teradata, being a specialist in enterprise data warehouse, it has partnered with Hortonworks to offer Hadoop as an appliance. Teradata distribution includes integration with Teradata's management tool and SQL Edge, a federated SQL engine that lets customer query data from its data warehouse and Hadoop. That's all for this lecture. See you in the next lecture.